This right here is the OOTD S10, which is a pretty powerful e-scooter for only 699 euros with a powerful motor of 1400 watts. And I can tell you that this e-scooter might be my first choice of commuting for city and for anywhere I go. I'm gonna say that from now.
If that is the headlight, I'm gonna freak out. Oh no, it's not the headlight. Plastic out the way, out the way. You have to connect this. Reminds me of that Alien movie, you see? You know?
Yeah, yes.
It kind of looks like the Alien with this design right here.
Oh, and I guess you don't have one horn either. You have this. So now let's take the e-scooter out of the box. This looks exactly like the G2.
Yep, it's one-to-one the G2 just with OOTD branding, I guess.
Oh, look, this is the manual.
That's the tiniest manual I have ever seen.
So this is the manual. I don't think I will need it, so... And bro is just flexing the screws.
Yeah, I'm money flexing the screws. What colors are your screws?
Black.
Fuck, mine are screwed.
And to unfold it, you have to hold this.
Pull it hard. Oh,
Look, and it is done.
what is this, bro?
It is a folding mechanism. Look, and so that you can lift up the e-scooter like this. You see?
Pretty cool.
So now let's start it up for the first time and see how this Xiaomi kind of screen looks like. No?
Can we talk about how cool those LEDs look? I don't think you can beat this. OOTD is mastering side LEDs.
I need to see the signal.
It's just flashing.
And why does it sound like it's gonna explode?
You gotta know when you're signaling. It's very important. Otherwise your whole scooter is gonna blow out. Ooh, you were right. It is kind of a headlight.
So you need to press the
power button.
You need to press the power button in order to make it work.
So you have a small headlight and a big ass headlight. Let's test the suspension. Oh shit, suspensions are non-existent. Those are the stiffest suspensions that I have ever seen on a scooter.
Wait, let me try them. Wait.
They don't exist. Nothing.
Bro, what the hell is this?
I told you.
What?
Never seen suspensions that are so stiff ever in my life. Yeah, you should get the OOTD app.
So in order to install the app, you have to search for DUOTTS. So this is how the apps look. You can choose anything from the e-scooter, like from the mod to the headlight. Turns on by the app, look. You have the cruise control, you have 0 start, and it is also cool that if you lock it like this, it enters AP mode like this, and if you try to move it forward, it doesn't work. I'm doing it with all my power and it is not working, even backwards. It doesn't work. In order to derail the e-scooter from going 25 km per hour, you have to hold the brake and press the M button 4 times really quick, like this. And now the F2 is gonna appear and it is gonna go even faster. 55 km per hour. It's the next day. I have the S10 charge and yes, he's also with his charge DT2 Pro finally.
Fully charged this time. We don't talk about the last time.
Why are you honking?
So that the whole entire little parking lot knows that we're here.
I have no brakes. No! Bro. I have no brakes.
No brake?
No brakes.
That bad?
Yes. The speed that it catches, it's not so fast, but it catches up to 55 km per hour, which is not bad.
What was that sound?
The fact that I have no suspension.
The whole scooter snapped in half.
I think I need to adjust it, but I don't have what I need right now.
Yeah.
It should have come already adjusted.
Yeah.
Look, full brakes. Full brakes and I was not stopping. I do already.
Oh, the dog.
Yeah, I saw it. Let's see, can you catch up to me?
I think so.
Yeah, no you can't. Of course, I knew it. I mean, if I adjust the brakes a little bit and the suspension, I bet this is a very good e-scooter. And the stability on it, it's good. Not bad, not perfect, but it's good. That was a big truck.
Yeah, I've never seen a truck coming here.
Yeah, never.
That's interesting. He was carrying metal pipe.
Why? I have this, look.
Oh my god.
Full throttle, let's see what this beast can do.
Fully, come on, go for it.
You too, come on.
It's full throttle.
Yes. It is so cold out here in the forest. At full speed, this one catches just 55 kilometers per hour, but I told you before, it's not so bad. It's good.
How much you got on it?
55.
55?
Yes.
Hey, that's good.
Oh,
Bro.
you almost fell.
Yeah, it's not my fault. The whole road just collapsed. Look at that. Under the weight.
You're too fat.
Mate. Look at this.
You want to fall again? Come on. Let me catch your camera.
Of course, if you want to catch it on camera, it doesn't happen.
You want to try the S10?
Yep, give me.
Okay, come here.
I feel so bumpy on it.
Bro, what are your brakes? Look at this. What?
Man, all my life from when I started riding e-scooters, my brakes never work.
They are hydraulics.
Nah, you get better at driving if you drive like that.
No.
Yeah.
Never. One car, another car. How much did you got on it?
55.
And how does it perform?
I like it. The brakes are horrendous. Otherwise, I kind of like it. It doesn't have a explosive start. It just goes slowly.
Doesn't have a very good acceleration, but it still catches up to 55 very fast.
So suspensions and brakes horrible. The rest of the scooter works.
You can 100% adjust the suspension and the brakes.
That's the first time I'm seeing a dog outside.
We didn't trust that dog, so we turned back. Let's go left.
Okay, take this if you want to. While riding this, I'm feeling like I'm living that song. Sunshine, lollipops and rainbows.
Oh my god, this road is so bumpy with this suspension. My knees after this trip are gone.
Is it that bad?
Yes.
Don't you want to turn back? Because it's not going to get any better.
Yeah, let's turn back.
Surely it's not made for this.
Maybe it is, but I didn't adjust the suspension.
No, you don't have nothing to adjust on them. Maybe just the back one. But the front one, I don't understand how the front one works.
Yeah, the front suspension, it's kinda out of place, literally. Bless you!
Thank you!
Imagine if I drop the camera into this.
I think I would sue you.
I want to make a top speed right now to see in how much seconds does this thing catches 55 kilometers per hour. So 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Already at 30. 40 kilometers per hour. 45, come on. With 3 lines of battery left, can we reach 50? Yes, we're closer. 52, 53, 54 and 55. It wasn't as fast as I was expecting, but it's good. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, hold your lane.
Imagine getting stopped by the police here in the middle of nowhere.
0% chance.
You think so?
Yeah.
We are so small compared to the trucks.
Oh yeah, we're the size of the
One mistake on the potholes and I'm gone. The bus gave priority to the bus. So, in the conclusion of this video, is the OOTD S10 worth it? I mean, if you adjust the brakes as I said before and the suspension, it is one of the best 700 euros e-scooter out on the market at the moment. So with 2 lines of battery left out of 5, we have done 23 kilometers, as you can see on the app right here. It is not so bad, alright?
Very right.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like. I hope you subscribe. See you on the next one.
My auto,
Goodbye.
by the way. Bye.